9th Science Organ Systems in Animals. Additional questions. 1. Short answers questions. Question 1. Write the function of the following organ systems: muscular system, endocrine system, sensory system, excretory system. Answer. Muscular system, involved in the contraction and relaxation resulting movement. Endocrine system, coordinates the functions of all organ systems. Sensory system, this helps in sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. Excretory system, elimination of nitrogenous waste products. Question 2. What are the 3 stages of urine formation? The process of urine formation includes the following 3 stages. 1. Glomerular filtration. 2. Tubular reabsorption and
1. Tubular secretion. Question 3. What are the functions of the liver? Answer. Functions of liver: controls blood sugar and amino acid levels, synthesizes fetal red blood cells, produces fibrinogen and prothrombin, used for clotting of blood, destroys red blood cells, stores iron, copper, vitamins A and D, produces heparin, an anticoagulant, excretes toxic and metallic poisons, detoxifies substances including drugs and alcohol. Question 4. Draw the excretory system and label its parts. Answer. Bunal artery, lidary, denal quarter, excretory system. Lewestian flow chart showing the route of urine flow. Answer.
Route of urine flow: glomerulus, filtration. Bowman's capsule receives glomerular filtrate. Proximal convoluted tubule reabsorbs water, glucose, sodium, and chloride ions. Descending and ascending limbs: loop of Henle, absorption of water and sodium ions. Distal convoluted tubule reabsorbs chlorides and water. Collecting tubule, collecting duct, urine, ureter, urethra. Elimination of urine. What is dialysis or artificial kidney? When kidney lose their filtering efficiency, excessive amounts of fluid and toxic waste accumulate in the body. This condition is known as kidney renal failure. For this, an artificial kidney is used to filter the blood of the patient. The patient is said to be put on dialysis, and the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney is called hemodialysis. When renal failure cannot be treated by drug or dialysis, the patients are advised for kidney transplantation. What is spermatogenesis? The process of formation of sperms is called spermatogenesis. Describe the 3 parts of small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal. It comprises of 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum is C-shaped and receives the bile duct from liver and pancreatic duct from pancreas. Jejunum is the middle part of the small intestine, it's a short region. It contains enzymes like sucrase, maltase, lactase, and lipase. Ileum forms the lower part of the small intestine. It is the longest part of the small intestine. It contains minute finger-like projections called villi. Absorption of food takes place here. Long answers questions. Tabulate the enzymes secreted by the digestive glands secrete in a human body. Answer. Digestive glands. Enzymes: salivary glands, ptyalin, salivary amylase. Gastric glands: pepsin, renin in infants. Pancreas: pancreatic amylase, trypsin, chymotrypsin, pancreatic lipase. Intestinal glands: maltase, lactase, sucrase, lipase. Describe the liver and list out its functions. Liver is the largest digestive gland of the body, which is reddish brown in color. It is divided into 2 main lobes, right and left lobes. On the other side of the liver, the gallbladder is present. It stores the bile, which is secreted by the liver. The bile is secreted to the small intestine when food enters it. Bile helps in the digestion of fats. Functions of liver: controls blood sugar and amino acid levels, synthesizes fetal red cells, produces fibrinogen and pronothin used for clotting of blood. destroys red blood cells, stores iron, copper, vitamins A and D, produces heparin, an anticoagulant, excretes toxic and metallic poisons, detoxifies substances including drugs and alcohol. Draw a flowchart describing the process of digestion. Process of digestion. Food, mouth, ingestion, buccal cavity. Digestion of carbohydrates begin. Pharynx. Food pass from buccal cavity to pharynx. Esophagus. Movement of food from pharynx to esophagus and to stomach. Stomach. Digestion of proteins. Small intestine. Digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins completed. Large intestine. Blood. Simple substances. Absorption. Water and minerals. Absorption. Anus. Ingestion. Waste.